Hi, my name is Tanya and welcome to my channel. So what I've been doing lately are these little ACOs that I used acrylic markers with, and I'm having so much fun using acrylic markers that I thought I'd try something bigger, and there it is. It's a 4x6. And here are the acrylic markers that I use. I use Meedens. They came in a 48 pack of colors, and those right there are the colors that I did use for this painting. And I also used a watercolor brush to blend. Um, but I started with a piece of Bristol paper, smooth Bristol paper. It's 4x6. Now, I've tried other types of paper with my acrylic markers. I've tried acrylic paper that has kind of have like a linen finish look to it, I should say, that looks canvasy in a way. And then I've tried watercolor paper and this paper. And for me, I prefer the smooth Bristol paper with my acrylic markers. The other papers work well too, and probably my second favorite would be the acrylic paper. But I like the smooth Bristol paper because it's smooth, basically, and it just the pens seem to glide over the surface better. I like the way it looks. It looks kind of satiny, and I just prefer that look better. Watercolor paper worked well also, but I just find working with the smoother paper. It's easier to blend the colors and it just looks more smooth, which is my preference. So here I'm just using the blues to start off with for the sky. And as you can see, I put a piece of tape about a little over a third of the way up because that's going to be my water line. And I want a nice, crisp, straight line from my water line. And I've noticed that, you don't have to worry as much with acrylic markers as far as buckling, the paper buckling and such. I do like to take water and just a little bit of water on a brush and do some blending. And it's just been a lot of fun and I really enjoyed it. So I just want to show you how I created this little painting today. And I will be putting this on my eBay shop. I'm going to try and see how it works selling a bigger size than ACEO on my eBay shop. So I'll let you know how that goes. So far, I'm going to say though, with my other ACOs that I've had on eBay, they've been selling. It's been a lot of fun. I'm mostly doing it for fun because just creating those little paintings are just very enjoyable. So we'll see how this one goes today on eBay. But anyway, I'm not going to talk too much through this painting. It's kind of just one of those where you can just watch and see what I do, and I hope you enjoy it. I will be putting the colors that I used in the description in case you want to try it out and if you have some Meeden markers. So thanks for watching so much, and please like and subscribe if you haven't. I really appreciate the time you give me watching these videos, and I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you shortly with the next one.